see the side there, you want to go ahead and make sure that this lines up. You'll know it lines up because it will snap into place, and you'll see this rotates. This will rotate as well. You'll see on this one here, we again have the same pins. We'll want to make sure that the tape is going to the back. As you can see, it is rolling that way. And we'll want to go ahead and make sure we put this on the push pin here. And we again line this up. Now you'll notice right now it's not lined up and it's kind of sitting off. Once this lines up, you'll see on the side here that this will turn, and as it turns, this will turn with it. Now we'll go ahead and take this from the bottom of the printer, and you'll notice the back roll is rolling. We want to make sure we put this on. Now if we are too far back, as you'll see here, we can always roll this here. And we'll put this and tape it on. Now if we do get crinkles down here, we will want to make sure we retool it. And at any time if we are printing, we can absolutely cut it and try and reapply this. Now we will want to make sure these are directly straight. If we do get angled, it will cause issues as well. But once at this point, we should then be able to go ahead, push on the printer, and go ahead and close it.